speaking of Twitter, they've been going through a lot as of recently. And because they've been going through a lot, people are getting fed up. And the question is, will they come out with something that's out there that's better, or something that's comparable to Twitter to actually, you know, to compete? Because that's all we really know. You want to put your thoughts out there, and you want to get your messaging, brand messaging out in a matter of seconds. And everyone's not on Facebook, and everybody's not on Instagram. And you're not going to go to YouTube to go search for a quick thought or a rant or something has happened. You're not going to do that immediately. So because of that, a company that we all know has said, Meta's Twitter alternative, Barcelona, is taking shape. That's right. We got some competition out here, and they're saying, you know what? We need to figure this out very quickly. You guys are already familiar with what we're doing. So since you're familiar, why not find a way to introduce a Twitter-like version on our platform? Meta said, look, we're going to create our own Twitter replacement. We ain't got time for this, okay? They're also saying that it could enable it to scoop up any Twitter, they're calling them refugees, but anybody who does not want to be on Twitter, they're saying, hey, we're going to give you an option to come back or come over here to our platform. So what they say, you don't like what we're doing over here, you don't like what they're doing over there at Twitter Records, come on over here to Meta Records. Y'all, if y'all should know what I'm talking about. If you don't, you did not love the 90s. Anyway, but back to the article at hand. Meta says right here in the fine print that they are exploring a standalone, decentralized social network for sharing text updates. We believe there's an opportunity for a separate space where creators and public figures can share timely updates about their interests. Period. The speculation has been that the project initially codenamed, this was the original code name, P92, would be designed to go after Twitter's cast-offs. So people who did not want to deal with Twitter anymore, you can come over here to P92. And then if you're looking for that alternative, this would be possibly it. Now, the project seems to be moving ahead, and they're now calling it Barcelona. This is a separate app and is now being pitched as Instagram for your thoughts, at least in the internal prototype. So this is all a prototype right now, and then the release date is also just a placeholder at this stage. We don't know when it might be launched, but the concept appears to be a text-based feed of posts, which aims to tap into the rising popularity of private messaging in a more expanded, accessible format. Right there in the fine print, y'all. Right there in the fine print. All right, just want you to see it. All right, so they're also saying this is similar to Instagram channels, which enables public figures to broadcast messages to their followers. So it's something similar to that, but I think that that's voice, where this Barcelona will allow you to, if I'm correct, just send like a text message, and then anybody that's following you is similar to Twitter. They're also saying with more discussion shifting to messaging chats, as opposed to people posting in public feeds, channels is designed to lean into this, providing a more private, intimate discussion interface for creators and their fans. Barcelona sounds similar, though in a dedicated app. So channels was one thing, but now Barcelona is similar, but it has its own app. So channels is in Instagram already, but Barcelona is a dedicated app with users able to follow others and stay on top of their text updates. They're saying Barcelona will be a separate app, which will use your Instagram credentials to log in. You can see in the above screenshots that Barcelona will also use your Instagram ID as your username in the new app. The maximum length for Barcelona posts will be 500 characters, and Barcelona will be decentralized, though it is not entirely clear what that means in Meta, Facebook, context as of yet. Do you think we need a Twitter replacement? One, put in the comments, yes, we need one, quick, fast, and now. 2, yes, as long as Meta doesn't have anything to do with it. 3, what's wrong with Twitter? We are good. 4, I have no use case for it. Or 5, why does any of this matter? Put in the comments what you think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me know what you think. Do we need a Twitter replacement? This is a dedicated app. It's called Barcelona, and this could be something that we could use in the near future, maybe. They're also saying that Meta sees significant potential here. There's definitely a desire among many users for an alternative, as difficult as it will be to insert and short-form content leader. The challenge here is that most businesses are already aligned with Twitter and are accustomed to sharing their updates there. So to establish a true alternative, you need a lot of current Twitter users to migrate to a new app, and only then would it be truly valuable with the same key Twitter users posting in the new space. It's the Lab Tech Show. We're talking tech. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.live.
Go, 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 go.